The question says which of the following organic compounds will give a mixture of 1-chlorobutane. The chemical formula of 1-chlorobutane is we have CCC, 4 carbon are there and at the end halogen is attached. Okay, 1-chlorobutane. Second we have 2-chlorobutane. It means that 4 carbon are there and to the second carbon halogen is attached. Unchlorination. Which compound unchlorination produces these halides? 1-chlorobutane as well as 2-chlorobutane is there. Now pay attention carefully. If you go for the first option, then in the first option you can see branching is there, and you can see in the final product there is no branching. Butane is the parent chain. Okay, first option is not possible. Move on to the second option. You can see double bond is okay, making sense, but here we have the triple bond. Okay, we cannot carry out reduction reaction, so convert in triple bonds into single bond. Triple bond will be there. Okay, hence second option is also not possible, because if the triple bond is retained in the carbon chain, then it will lead us to the unsaturated carbon chain. We need a saturated carbon chain in the final product. That's why option B is not correct. Okay, we have option C, double bond, single bond, double bond, conjugated system. And if the conjugated system is there, resonance will be there. It is resonance stabilized. So we have to, what we have to do in the same pattern, we have to break all these bonds. It will be what positive, it is negative, it is positive, it is negative. Due to the resonance, one bond will be generated here. Okay, so from here we can get the product. This is what we have, CH2 and negative charge. We get CH, double bond CH, and then we have CH, and then we get here we have the negative charge. It will carry positive charge and it will carry negative charge. Okay, and then we have to carry out chlorination. Okay, then we have to carry out chlorination. One halogen will attach here, one halogen may attach here. This is how we can complete the reaction. Okay, from here also 1-chlorobutane and 2-chlorobutane is not possible. In the last we have CH2 double bond CH. Then you can see we have only one double bond is there. We have only one double bond. So either you can break this bond this side. Okay, if you are breaking this bond this side, so Cl will attach here. And in case if you are breaking this bond this side, then Cl will attach here. Okay, so if Cl is attaching here one time, so 1-chlorobutane, because rest of the carbon chain is saturated. Chain is there, single bond is there, and this pi bond will also break when it is undergoing halogenation. Okay, it is undergoing halogenation. And in case if the Cl is attaching here to the second carbon, in this case we get a 2-chlorobutane, and if the Cl is attaching to the first carbon, it is 1-chlorobutane. Only one pi bond is there. Hence we got the option D. Option D is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.